So, we are in room 320 at the Antera in Playa del Carmen. They use the old school key to get into the room. And this is how we're gonna be living for the next week. As soon as you walk in, you got a washer and a dryer. Then to the other side, you got a guest bathroom. Where's the light switch? There we go. Guest light switch. Or guest. These stairs lead up to the personal jacuzzi. You got a little oven, little stove top, dishwasher, a refrigerator that opens from the wrong end. I like that mood lighting in there. We got the lower balcony. King size bed. Other portion of the balcony. Let's see if we can get out here. So you can't get out of the bedroom from this onto the balcony from here. Doesn't look like. Yeah. We got a closet here. See how much weight you gain off of those tacos. And you got your own private bathroom with a rainfall shower head. And now we make our way to the private balcony. There's the wedding party. And the jacuzzi. What's up, you guys? This is your boy True 1178 coming live to you guys from Playa del Carmen at the Antera Hotel. Hold on just a second. They still use keys here at this hotel, but I found out they serve breakfast the hard way by missing it. I may have missed it again this morning, but we're gonna make our way down there and see if we're able to get some breakfast this morning. Yesterday, we actually went, not scuba diving, snorkeling. We went snorkeling yesterday. And today we have nothing on the agenda. Snorkeling was a lot of fun. I will insert a picture of the wristbands, and it should have the company's name on it. And I may leave a link down in the description if I can find one for the company that we use for the snorkeling and the catamaran. But yeah, we're gonna see what we can find. Hola. Buenos dias. I am dressed absolutely ridiculous this morning. Just a moment. Well, this is the courtyard within the hotel. It's an outdoor type concept. But actually, the side that I'm staying on is called the Residences. Hola, what is this? It's called the Residences at Antera. The hotel is actually on the other end of the hotel where breakfast is served. And that's where we're making our way over to. So if you plan on staying here, you have to know if you're gonna stay in the hotel part or in the residence part. The residence part, I have a washer and dryer within my unit. The hotel does not have that part. But let's see if we made it or not. So this is the main lobby, which is in the center of the block. We came from down there. So let's take you inside. So if you come in here for breakfast, you meet with the front desk, they give you a card, and then you come to these doors. It's really nice. Hola. Hola, buenos dias.
Buenos días.
Breakfast?
Sure. Thank you.
Just
Where do you want?
sit anywhere.
You want?
All right. Let me get some footage real quick and hola. So, I told you guys, when you come here, you're gonna be eating at Belamonte. And the food just came out. And so, we have this here. And this is this lovely lady's dish.
Hello.
So what did you order?
I have salmon con avocado y papas. So salmon, avocado, potatoes, and fresh fruit.
And you said you have a YouTube channel. You want to shout it out?
Yeah, y'all can check me out at Space for Sisters on YouTube, but also follow us on all social media platforms.
All right. And then I got the chili conquiles.
What's that? Oh yeah.
So, as you can see, that's what we have. And if we have two other guests joining us, if they order anything different, be sure to bring it to you guys. All right. I'm about to devour this food. Check back in with you. So we just finished breakfast here. What did you think of the breakfast?
Breakfast was good. It had eggs and cheese and tomatoes and ham. It was pretty delicious. Coffee was good.
As the trees try to kill us.
Yeah.
Yeah, the food was really good. We'll see where we end up for the rest of the day. I think we're gonna go to a rooftop, and then tonight we're supposed to go to Coco Bongos. We'll probably do footage on the cell phone. Right now we're on the GoPro, so I'll check back in with you guys later. All right, holla at your boy.